In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to translate text within your Canva designs. This feature is fantastic for creating content that resonates across different languages and cultures, ensuring your message reaches a broader audience. Let's dive right in. First, head over to Canva's website at canva.com, and if you're not already signed in, click on the login button located at the top right corner of the home page. You'll have a few options to sign in. You can use your Google account, your Facebook account, or simply log in with your email. Choose whichever method suits you best. Once you're logged in, you'll want to start with the specific Canva design that contains the text you wish to translate. If you haven't already created the design, you can either start a new one or open an existing project. With your design open, take a look at the sidebar on the left side of the screen. You'll see an option labeled Apps. Go ahead and click on it to proceed. In the Apps section, you'll find a search bar, type in Translate and press Enter. You should see the Translate app appear in the results. Click on it to select it. This app is going to be our tool for transforming your text into a different language. Now it's time to select the language you want to translate your text into. A list of languages will appear, giving you a wide variety of options to choose from. Go through the list and select the language that fits your needs. This is crucial as it sets the language parameters for the translation process. The next step involves deciding what exactly you want to translate. Canva provides flexibility here. You can choose to translate entire pages if your design has multiple pages, with text, or only select specific text elements within your design. This option is helpful if you're working with a larger document and only need certain parts translated, or if you want to mix languages within a single design. Once you've made your selection, it's time to proceed with the translation. Simply click the Translate button and let Canva do its magic. The app will automatically convert the selected text into your chosen language. Finally, once the translation process is complete, it's important to review the translated text. Check for any inaccuracies or adjustments you might need to make to maintain the aesthetic and message of your design. Sometimes translations might affect the layout, so ensure everything looks as you envisioned. Make any necessary edits to align the design perfectly. And there you have it, you've successfully translated your Canva design text into another language, broadening the reach and impact of your content. It's a powerful tool that simplifies communication across languages, ensuring your creations speak to everyone, no matter where they are from. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial, and good luck with your designs.